he's the leader in facial rejuvenation. Dr. Sonny O is on top of the latest trends and making sure that the techniques get the best results and you look your best. We're here today with Dr. Sonny O, and thank you for letting us come into your office today. And
well, thanks for coming.
We're talking, yes, sir. We're talking today about non-surgical procedures that will help people look a little bit younger.
Yes, we're talking about a minimally invasive treatment, and it's called FaceTite, and it's my latest offering, and it really helps people achieve the results that they're wanting and avoid the downtime and the scars of traditional surgery.
So we're talking about someone having, it looks to be in a lot of cases, a facelift or a mini facelift without the surgery, correct?
Exactly. This targets the lower face and neck region, and as opposed to having big scars or a long recovery, this is done here in the office. It's done under local anesthesia, so the recovery is very quick, and the patients get good, noticeable results without having to undergo surgery.
How does it actually work?
Great question. This is the latest technology, and I think in order for the patients to continue to get good results, we need to offer new technology, and this technology is called radio frequency. So this energy is actually used to heat and shrink the tissues in the lower face and neck, thus tightening it, but avoiding a surgery.
Who's really ideal? Who's the ideal candidate for FaceTite?
The ideal candidate would be somebody, I would say anybody from 40, 45 plus, and that could extend higher to 55, 65. It just really depends the areas that need to be treated. But somebody who has some looseness or laxity, especially in their jowl area, sure, or a little bit underneath their chin, but they're not quite ready to have a bigger procedure, this is the perfect procedure for that patient.
And as we get older, it seems like everything is going south. And so this really helps out, right?
It does. And you're right. We cannot stop gravity, nor can we stop time. But this is more than just a topical treatment. This actually works by treating the tissues underneath the skin. But because this is new technology, I'm able to do it through very small incisions so small that I don't even have to put a suture or a stitch in.
That's phenomenal, because a lot of people, they really don't want to get underneath the knife or go under the knife. This is such a great alternative, and it's FDA approved, right?
Absolutely, it is FDA approved, and I think that's important for the audience to understand. This is a safe treatment, and it gives results by avoiding the surgical things that we have to deal with, scars and recovery.
You're talking about working on the jowls. How about on the neck? Maybe the turkey neck, maybe a lot of loose skin under there as well?
Your lower face and your neck, they're intimately related. And a lot of times when you show aging in one area, the other area also shows aging. So this will treat both the lower face, the jowls, and the neck region.
Mm-hmm. And this is not something that somebody can just pop in and have it done. This needs to go by an appointment. And you really sit down, because I've seen you with patients before. I've been allowed to. I've actually been a patient for some minor surgery because of skin cancer, and did a wonderful job, by the way. But when the folks come in, you sit down, and you've got probably some of the bedside manner I've ever seen of any doctor.
Well, thank you. Yeah, it's absolutely important and critical that I meet with the patients, because we want to find out what their concerns are, what bothers them, and then figure out the right treatment. And it might be FaceTite, it might be some other type of treatment, but it's very critical to meet with them, figure out what they want, and see how I can help them.
Dr. Sonny O, right here on Houston Northcutt and Mount Pleasant. Appreciate you once again allowing us to come into your office today, and we do appreciate that. We've got more right after the break. Stay with us.